we have 1 hour more than the Mali time. It's not official the timing, so you need to change manually on the mobile phone. So now it's 11:40 almost.
So this is our marine lab. We established it, or re-established it late last year, and it's a collaboration with the university, education and kind of fun activities, but we're doing active research here as well, thanks to the collaboration with the university. And the living example of that is Roberta. She's our intern from Bikoka. She's doing her master thesis project here, so she's staying for 6 months collecting data. I mean, lucky student, right?
Yes, it is. I was also thinking like earlier, oh, she will have babies. I think this will serve more as a better.
Like few steps away from the restaurant over there. So this is a waterfall area. So this is just the deck.
Use the frame to stabilize the whole thing a little bit, and then you use the cable tie to tighten it. Okay, nice and gently. If you can, use the head on the opposite direction. Okay, and then you will need to tighten it properly. Okay, so don't be afraid. Okay, because we don't want the coral to move. You can see this one is sitting nice and tight on the coral frame now, so it will attach to the frame very easily. If it's moving around, it's harder for the coral to attach to the frame. Okay, so we need to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay.
Shit, it's cold. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the life of the rich and famous. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for going to Aturuga. We are.